When you put it on, of course, the straps just set up, I guess, in this kind of generic fashion, depending on how high your instep is, depending on the kind of width of your foot, depending on your heel shape, you're going to need to customize it. And you can see there's a buckle here at the side where I can pull through the end of the webbing. And of course, you can then follow it around. This is really important. It's a bit of a mission because, of course, it's through the rubber, so you have to push it through. But you can completely customize not only the very last part of the webbing, which is obviously this portion here that goes over your foot, but by threading the webbing back through, you can either tighten or release the heel, and then through, of course, tightening or releasing the first part, which goes between your toes and across the foot. And it's really important to get that right. So guys, spend 10 minutes and really kind of customize that strap so it feels comfortable on your foot, so it's holding your foot but without being overly tight, and that will pay you amazing dividends. I just put mine on the first time and it was a little tight in a few spots, and I just walked and ran in it, and I did get a little bit of rubbing, and then I went back and customized it. So I really recommend you do that right from the start. It will be much better. Another thing you can do is, you see the strap here, of course, when it comes it's going to be flat. One thing that's really good to recommend is pinch the point where the webbing comes through the sole there, worth pinching it upwards. So what it does is it actually curves the webbing, so where it sits between your toes, instead of the webbing sitting flat, and in fact what will happen is your toes over time, the shape of your toes will turn it up. There is the potential during that process, of course, of a little bit of rubbing. So if you just get pliers or even with your fingers and squeeze a little bit there, what that does is it actually accelerates that process, and it makes sure that you're not going to get rubbing between the toes.